Good day. For today's video, we are going to discuss Arts 10, Quarter 1, 20th Century Art Movement, Expressionism. Let's begin. Expressionism. Expressionism is a modernist movement that began in early 20th century Germany, initially in poetry and painting. Its main characteristic is presenting the world from a subjective perspective, radically distorting it to evoke emotional effects and express moods and ideas. Expressionism distinct characteristics. Number 1. Distorted forms and exaggeration. Number 2. Bold and vivid colors. Number 3. Emphasis on emotional experience. Number 4. Subjective perspective. Number 5. Unconventional composition. Number 6. Dynamic and energetic. Expressionism different styles. Neo-primitivism. Amedeo Modigliani, 1984 to 1920. Works of Modigliani. Portrait of Lunia Tchaikovska, 1919. Alice, 1919. Fauvism. Henri Matisse, 1869 to 1954. Works of Matisse. Le Bonheur de Vivre, 1906. Goldfish, 1911. Dadaism. Marc Chagall, 1887 to 1985. Works of Chagall. I and the Village, 1911. White Crucifixion, 1938. Giorgio de Chirico, 1888 to 1978. Works of de Chirico. Ariadne, 1913. The Song of Love, 1914. Surrealism. Salvador Dali, 1904 to 1989. Works of Dali. The Persistence of Memory, 1931. The Temptation of Saint Anthony, 1946. Paul Klee, 1979 to 1940. Works of Clay, Castle and Sunday 1928. Senecio 1922. Joan Miro 1893 to 1983. Works of Miro, Harlequin's Carnival 1925. The Farm 1922. Social Realism. Ben Shahn. Works of Shahn. Four-Piece Orchestra 1944. Miner's Wife 1948. Pablo Ruiz Picasso 1881 to 1973. Works of Picasso, Guernica 1937. La Vie 1903. The Old Guitarist 1903. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more. God bless.